I am MD Azizur Rahman. I am an English teacher of Chuknagot Secondary Girls School. Welcome all for online class of Chuknagot Secondary Girls School. Dear students, today we will learn voice. What we will learn? Voice. Dear students, at first, what is voice? Voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. Dear students, voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. There are two kinds of voice. Two kinds of voice. Active voice and passive voice. Dear students, there are two kinds of voice, active voice and passive voice. Generally, there are 5 kinds of sentence. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclusive sentence and operative sentence. Now, we will learn active to passive or assertive sentence. Dear students, what is active voice? Active voice, when the subject of a sentence is actor, the verb is in active voice. It is so because the subject is active, such as I do this work, he does the work. I do this work, he does this work. Dear students, when the subject of a sentence is verb, when the subject of a sentence is actor, the verb is in active voice. This sentence subject I, this word actor. For this reason, it is an active voice. This sentence subject he is a actor. For this reason, it is active voice. Dear students, now we will discuss about passive voice. When the subject of a sentence is when the subject of a sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive voice. It is so because the subject is passive, such as this work is done by me, this work is done by him. This work is done by me. This work is done by him. Dear students, this work is done by me and this work is done by him. This sentence is passive voice, this sentence is passive voice. When the subject of a sentence is acted upon, the verb is in passive voice. It is so because the subject is passive. Such as this work is done by me, this work is done by him. Dear students, now we will learn rules for changing active voice into passive voice. Now we will learn rules for changing active voice into passive. Active to passive. Dear students, at first the object becomes the subject. The object becomes the subject. Plus, dear students, at first the object becomes the subject. Next, dear students, please listen to me attentively. According to tense, dear students, according to tense, have to auxiliary verb. Have to auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Plus, the main verb is sensed. The main verb is sensed. Plus, have to auxiliary verb. The main verb is sensed. Main verb is sensed to participle verb. Sensed to perfect participle. No, sorry. Main verb is sensed to the past participle. To the past participle. Plus by, preposition by. Plus the subject becomes the object. The subject becomes the object. Dear students, at first the object becomes the subject plus according to tense have to auxiliary verb plus the main verb is sensed to the past participle plus by plus the subject becomes the object. For example, I eat rice. Dear students, this sentence is active voice. This sentence is active voice. This sentence I subject, eat verb, rice object, subject verb object. Dear students, now at first the object becomes the subject. This word object becomes subject, dies. According to tense, have to auxiliary verb. This sentence is present indefinitely. So, auxiliary verb am is are. Rice is singular form for this is. Dear students, the main verb is sensed into the past participle. It, past participle eaten. Preposition by. The subject becomes the object, me. Now, rice is eaten by me. This sentence is passive voice. Dear students, so we will learn active to passive. Now, I will discuss about any other sentence. They play football. They play football. Dear students, they subject play verb, football object. Now, at first, football, the object, subject, football. According to tense, It is present indefinite tense. For this reason, we will use auxiliary verb am, is, are. Football is singular form. We use is. Main verb is changed to the past participle. Play. Past participle form is played. Preposition by. Subject, object. The object, them. Football is played by them. Dear students. Now we have learned active to passive. Now we will learn the process of auxiliary verb patterns according to tense. We will learn the process of auxiliary verb patterns according to tense. Dear students, now we will learn the process of auxiliary verb patterns according to tense. Please look at the board. 1. Present. PR means present. Present indefinite tense. Auxiliary verb am, is, are. Present continuous auxiliary verb am, being, is, being, are, being. Present perfect auxiliary verb have been, has been. Present perfect continuous have been, being, has been, being. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Past indefinite tense. Auxiliary verb was, were. Past continuous tense. Auxiliary verb was, being, were, being. Dear students, usually past perfect tense auxiliary verb had been. Past perfect continuous tense auxiliary verb had been, being. Dear students, future indefinite tense auxiliary verb will be. Dear students, future perfect tense auxiliary verb will have been. Sorry, dear students, future continuous tense auxiliary verb will be, being. Future perfect tense auxiliary verb will have been. Future perfect continuous tense auxiliary verb will have been, been. Dear students, now we have learned the process of auxiliary verb patterns according to tense. Present indefinite tense am, is, are. Present continuous tense am, being, is, being, are, being. Present perfect tense have been, has been. Present perfect continuous have been, being, has been, being. past infinite tense was where, past continuous tense was being, were being, past perfect tense had been, past perfect continuous had been being. Future indefinite tense will be, future continuous tense will be being, future perfect tense will have been, future perfect continuous tense will have been being. Dear students, now we will see some examples. Some examples. They play football. They play football. Dear students, they subject play verb, football object. Now, at first, football object subject. Present indefinite tense. This sentence is present indefinite tense. So, according to the rules, auxiliary verb is, am is a, football singular form is, main verb past participle form played, preposition by, subject object them. This sentence, football is played by them. At the same way, they are playing football. They are playing football. Dear students, they subject are playing verb, football object. This sentence is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Now, football subject, object subject. Present continuous tense. Am being, is being, are being. Football is being. Because football is a singular form, for this we will use is. Next, main verb past participle form played. Dear students, next preposition by, subject object them. A football is being played by them. Dear students, just according to this process, I give another example. They have played football. This sentence is present perfect tense. For this reason, the subject have played verb, football object. Now, at first football object subject. According to tense, have been, has been. Auxiliary verb have been, has been. Football, third person, singular form, so has been. Main verb with past participle form played. Preposition by, subject object. Dear students, now we have learned the process how we will use active to passive according to tense. Dear students, now we have learned active to passive of assertive sentence. For this, I will give you some home tasks. Homework. Dear students, They play football. They play football. They play football. It is assertive sentence. It is assertive sentence. At first, this sentence will be changed 12 tenses. Question number 2, they are playing football. Question number 3, they have played football. Question number 4, they have been playing football. Question number 5, they play football. Question number 6, they were playing football. Question number 7, they have played football. Question number 8, they had been playing football. Question number 9, they will play football. Question number 10, they will be playing football. According this, will change into 12 tenses. Dear students, next, you will active to passive. You will active to passive. And show your t-shirts when the school will be open. And show your t-shirts when the school will be open. Dear students, stay home and protect yourselves from coronavirus. May Allah bless you. Allah bless.